that old spur line connecting the village to the mountain still existed, but it had to be taken out. That means engines and passenger cars had to be transported from the railroad siding at Stone Mountain Village to the new Stone Mountain tracks, which were about a mile away. That may not